So we're very used to in the US where it's the common practice to file a joint return when you're married, just because you generally get a tax benefit for that, which I'll explain in a little more detail. But when you're married to a non-resident, the general rule is, and the default is, that you cannot file a joint return. What you file is a married filing separate return, and there can be some negative consequences from a tax rate perspective of filing a separate return. First of all, when you file a joint return, your marginal rate, actually it takes twice as much income as with a separate return to get into that next higher tax bracket. So that's why a joint return can be beneficial. And also there's certain exclusions and things that don't apply the same way to married filing separate returns. So with that in mind, a lot of times you want to proactively make an election to treat the non-resident person as a citizen so that you can file a joint. In this case, we do that with section 6013G. And it's a simple election that you can attach to your tax return, which is basically saying we are electing to treat my non-resident spouse as a US person for US tax purposes for this whole year.